The journey started last year on a nice afternoon in Munich, and here we are today, completing the project within the guideline, agreed with the customer, and the commitments given to our headquarters in Germany. The support we received from our headquarters has been quite tremendous.
So BEL Electric India is setting up this 350 megawatt of solar project in Pavagada, Karnataka. This is one of the largest projects across the globe for all the BEL Electric operations.
My name is Danish Asrar. I am the site manager for Block 5.
Hi, myself Anand K, working with BEL Electric Photovoltaic India Private Limited as site manager for Block 40.
Hi, this is Venkatesh Misala, working with BEL Electric Photovoltaic India Private Limited, and I am looking of Block 9.
मैं गिरीश शुक्ला, site manager, Block 20.
This is Arun, and here I am looking after this Block 14.
Since procurement is the first phase of erection, we had to rigorously plan procurement activities and set targets within the department in order to deliver the material on time for site execution team to perform their work seamlessly without any material shortage.
To ensure the perfect quality which is required for the automatic robotic cleaning system, you have to be very clear that your MMS structure and the module installation from quality point of view has to be very perfect.
Initially we came to site for that site survey. So we came to know some parts were very dragged and there was so many slopes was there. So there was needed very much cutting and filling for the grading to match our contour level.
So the challenge was well taken by the team, and the engineering team has done some value engineering from the Mumbai office. Before implementing anything on the site, every input starting from the pile location to the elevations to be maintained.
We also ensure that the local job creations we have to do. If you presently almost 20 to 30% of the works are allocated to the locals as per the requirement of the state governments. The BEL Electric installation methodology is different than the other EPC players. We concrete our piles only once the complete structure table is aligned. It means it helps us perfection the structure as per the contour is always maintained. To overcome these challenges, what we normally BEL Electric India operations does is they take the support of our German counterparts who basically trains the Indian counterparts as well as the contractors.
I'm really happy with the guys. They want to learn, so they ask me many questions, so it's easy for me to train them. And some people that did not understand what I mean, they ask me many questions about it. So we are building the rows, they are really long. Mostly we're working with GPS systems, so because of that we get all the coordinates and we know really well where have to be our structure. We are the only one company in India which are using lasers for this kind of work here.
This is like a dream come true. The fact that we built the largest power plant that BEL Electric has ever built across all the continents really makes me proud. Part of the credit for this success also goes to the founders of BEL Electric India and the past employees of BEL Electric India who laid the foundations on which we built our success today.
At BEL Electric, HSE is a core value. We are committed to providing our employees and our contractors with safe and environmentally friendly working environment wherever we operate around the world.
All our team members are trained enough to identify what is wrong and what is right. How an activity should be done in the right way. We have one of the best labor colonies in the 2000 megawatt project. By all this, we were able to achieve 1 million safe man-hours in the last 6 to 7 months. We believe that the positive behavioral attitude can developing a best safety culture in the project where our management, our customer, our contractors, our site team all move towards a single goal, that is safety first.
One has to visit the plant to appreciate the complexity and the challenges which we have overcome to build it within a record time frame of 10 months.
We are proud of our execution team who has achieved this remarkable milestone in the history of Electric.
A big credit goes to my team for taking up this challenge and handling this 5 plants parallelly, managing around 500 orders and around 200 odd suppliers and contractors to execute this project in time, considering the quality and technical parameters.
The major contributor for this success is our the passionate team who has given continuous contribution to this project.
Everyone from the technicians to the storekeeper to the engineers to the directors of the company and our suppliers and subcontractors have contributed to this massive success, and I, as Managing Director of Belectric India, cannot thank them enough. However, the real heroes are always the guys who are on the ground, and I dedicate this success to all the employees of Belectric and our subcontractors who worked on site in the past year during all the challenging conditions.
Thanks to our planning, superior methodology, and our empowered workforce, we've managed to complete the project smoothly and well in time. With the execution of a project of this scale, Belectric has cemented its position in the large-scale EPC and O&M for ground-mounted PV